Hi guys, welcome back to Tiffoodie. Today, it is not just me, Tiffoodie, but it is also this person who, you are my father. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jay Sims. I'm from Nassau, Bahamas. It's good to be on this program called Tiffoodie.
It's Tiffoodie.
Tiffoodie, huh?
Okay.
Let's get
when
that
your
straight.
own dad doesn't know your own show. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dad, we're gonna try some snacks today from another country, not from the Bahamas,
Okay.
not from America.
All right.
You have any guesses?
Well, I would say it's some Asian food going to be in there somewhere. Something
Yeah.
like,
Okay, today we're gonna take a trip to Korea.
Oh, wow, I've never been there.
Yeah, we're taking a flavor trip.
Okay.
Now, have you ever had Korean snacks before?
I feel like I might have had some kind of Korean chips before when we went to Chattanooga.
Yeah, I think he's had the turtle chips, which are my favorite, and the honey butter chips,
Honey butter, yeah.
which are like the most popular. But we're not gonna do that today because it's too popular. Okay, so we're gonna go with my second favorite flavor. My second favorite Korean chips. They are shrimp crackers, but I kind of view them as a chip.
Okay.
I was like eating these for many years before I even realized they were from Korea, because there's also a Japanese one. These are kind of a remake of I think it was originally Japanese snack.
Okay.
Oh, it smells just like shrimp.
Wow.
I forget about this every time I eat them. Okay, so since I know what they taste like, you go ahead, take one first.
All right.
Okay. They almost have like a little shrimpy quality to like the appearance too. But yeah, it smells like shrimp.
Go ahead and
yeah,
try
go
this?
ahead.
It's almost like communion, like go every day you take it now.
I love these. And it tastes a little bit like shrimp. It almost reminds you of eating like
Should I take
popcorn shrimp. Yeah, if you like them. Because it's like a mild shrimpy taste, so it's almost like having popcorn shrimp. So, you want more before you say anything about it?
No, I can think I can make a comment.
Y'all buy these. Thanks. Love it.
Well, it definitely has a seafood flavor.
Yeah.
And it is crunchy.
Yeah.
So it's
Seafood
like
flavored
crunchy
snacks
seafood.
are really popular in Korea. Like, they also do like squid flavored snacks.
Wow. I think I stayed with the
With
shrimp.
shrimp, yeah. Okay. So, out of 10.
Out of 10, I'm going to say, from me and my taste, probably a 7.
Okay. 7's a good solid number. It's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Okay.
Okay, so the next one will probably be a little bit of a sweeter taste. It is a peanut crunch snack. When I look at it, it almost reminds me of like pretzel sticks. But I've had this once before, so this will be almost like new for me. But sweet snacks are also extremely popular in Korea, hence the honey butter chips, the craze. Oh, yeah, these look very interesting. Okay, go ahead and take one. Okay, wait. Okay. I feel like you like this.
Good. Just give me a handful of those. No, just kidding.
Yeah. This is good. It's really crunchy, and it has a mild sweetness from the peanuts.
Reminds me of peanut brittle.
You know what? Yeah, but because like the inside is kind of airy, it's much easier to eat. Because like I like the taste. I like the taste of peanut brittle, but it's too hard for me to eat.
This is easy to eat. Yeah. Easy on your teeth and everything.
Yeah, this is good. And actually, have a story about this. So, me and Mom went to the little Korean grocery store in Chattanooga, and you know how the lady there gives us samples sometimes? She had given us a sample of, say, the honey butter chips, which, you know, I knew before. And then, after I paid and everything, she was like, here, try this too. And it was the peanut snack. And Mom tried it, and she was like, let's go ahead and buy that. Like, Mom was like, what? She made me go back and get it.
Okay.
But, do you want to stick with the nutty taste and try something else nutty?
It can. Do I need to give that a number?
You can if you want to.
Well, like it's that there. I have to give it a 9.5.
Yeah, same. Okay, so this next snack is sweet chestnuts. I got this from my Korean friend, and so I know that you like nuts, so I figured you might want to try this. Wait. This actually came from my Korean friend. She told me that she does not want me to skip meals, and I looked at myself and I was like,
I haven't missed many.
Oh, it smells very interesting. Oh, okay.
Oh, I can smell it.
I don't know how I feel about that smell, but I've never had anything like this chestnut before.
Have a napkin or anything?
I'm not sure how I feel. Oh my gosh!
I better blow my nose. Man.
It's choking.
Yeah, that's an interesting snack for sure.
He looks so cute. He was wearing a hat. I trusted him.
Okay.
Why is this sweet on it?
Oh no.
No, it's more like
Bitter.
It's more like, you know, if I knew it had some nutritional value,
you could eat it.
I could handle it. But I wouldn't eat it for taste.
No.
I would eat it for nutrition.
It reminds me of something I've eaten before, like back home. Okay. But I apparently didn't like even that. So. Okay, we're moving on to seaweed.
Okay.
This is one of my favorite snacks.
Excellent.
There's lots of different flavors of jim, which is the Korean seaweed cheese. And this one's my favorite flavor. It's sweet and salty. Okay. So it's kind of got like a... I looked at the ingredients. I think it's like... What? What do you even? Sugar. Yay, and salt. Literally. That's how you get sweet and salty flavor. And it matches my outfit.
Oh. So you know this one's going to be nutritious. It's green.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is much better for my taste buds. And the great thing about this is because it's like a salty snack, it gives you that vibe of like you're snacking on potato chips almost. Yeah. But it's only 30 calories and like 0 fat, so. Wow. Okay, right? Okay. Much better. My taste buds are relieved. Okay. Okay. So I've not tried these before either. This is a crunchy brown rice roll. So sounds healthy. Yeah, it's a product of Korea. But this is the American distribution of it. There's no Korean writing on the front of it. But it is a Korean snack. This is just the American distribution of it. I feel like from the look of this, like I want to dip this in syrup.
Or rub it in peanut butter.
Oh.
Okay. Like sticky rice that's sticking together.
Oh.
That looks like it needs peanut butter. Like it looks like a rice cake, only a log shape.
No. Can we share that?
Yeah, you go ahead and eat some of it.
It looks like a rice cake. Does it taste like a rice cake?
Mm-hmm.
Very similar. Yeah, very similar.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. Very similar.
But there is a mild sweetness to it. Like, I could eat this bites. Oh, it's got a little bit of, like,
caramel.
Natural cane juice rice syrup.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yeah.
I can see that being a fairly good snack.
It's like mildly sweet. But peanut butter and jam could go on that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You want to say hi?
Mm-hmm.
So, the sticky rice roll thing.
Yeah, that was pretty good. I'll have to give that an 8.5.
I'm 7.5. I liked it a lot, but like, you know how I said it's mildly sweet?
Yeah.
And like I'd probably add jam or something to it.
Like
I like
guava. Or...
Yeah. I usually like my snacks to be like super flavorful.
Okay.
And so on the go, I want to grab something, you know, that's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
that's certainly a good one to grab on the go because you can easily hold that.
That's true.
But it needs like something injected through the middle of it.
Maybe.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
But I could imagine guava jam.
Oh, yeah. Same.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so last snack for today. It is our dessert.
Oh, okay.
It is a green tea flavored choco pie. Do you know choco pie?
No.
Okay, so choco pie, it is very popular Korean like snack cake.
Okay.
It's basically like moon pie,
Okay,
which
I've
is
heard
from
of- yeah.
Tennessee. Like when I looked at the like origins of choco pie, it was the case that like the very first like snack cake like this
Yes.
was the moon pie from Tennessee,
Oh,
and
wow.
then Japan did something similar, and then from Japan's like creation, Korea ended up making choco pies.
Okay.
And they make all sorts of flavors of choco pies now. They have like, the normal chocolate. They have, I think, strawberry, the green tea here.
Okay.
And sometimes during like springtime. So like right now they have different flavors like peach, various, fruity flavors. Okay. Since I've had one before, you can try.
It don't matter.
You can try first.
Okay.
You
It's
are
very attractive.
It looks similar to moon pie.
Mm-hmm.
I think it looks a little thicker than moon pies, maybe. Aesthetic with the greens.
Yeah, it's good.
Add more.
I wanted to get close up with it.
Oh, I have more upstairs. Okay. I like it, and it's sweet, and I like anything that's sweet, but the green tea flavor might be too mild for me. Like, it's very hint.
Okay.
Like, it's just a hint of it.
Well, if I was eating,
But you probably like it because it's not overpowering green
if
tea.
it was, if we had just eaten a Korean meal and I had that for like a snack or dessert, I would think that would be very appropriate.
But compared to like your normal Korean meal, which is like usually like spicy,
It would cleanse the palate, I'm sure.
it says it has green tea powder,
Okay.
but it's very mild to me.
It is mild, but it did taste good.
Yeah, it's good. I think maybe I could give it maybe 8.
I'd give that a 9.
Oh,
For me, yeah.
I think it's
Pretty good.
definitely on par with moon pies because those are mild too.
Yeah. Yeah. But I didn't, like you say, the tea was mild, but the chocolate covering was very nice.
Yeah, and then the marshmallow.
The inside, yeah. Very good.
Okay, so what's your favorite out of all of them today?
Out of all of them today? Wow.
Which one would you buy again?
I would probably buy the one with the one there, the big bag, the biggest bag there.
Oh, the peanut?
Yeah. Yeah, if I could buy that again. And then I think the rice patty thing was good. And like I said, if I had something to go over the top of it, you know, would be nice. But definitely, and the moon pie, you know, would be my next choice.
I like this one too. I think this might be my favorite.
Okay.
Actually,
Sure, yeah.
although the shrimp crackers and the seaweed, like I do eat those like every week. Almost.
Okay, well, that's the first time for me for either one of those.
But a peanut snack, it's a good. I love sweet salty snacks.
Yeah.
Having both of them together, so that's why I like that one.
Yeah, that was good.
Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope that everyone had a good time, and I hope people go buy snacks and eat snacks and don't be hungry, and they just eat delicious food. Okay, and thank you.
It was a real pleasure to be on here, and especially getting free snacks. I love it.
This is like a change, the daughter feeding the father.
Thanks.
Okay, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what Korean snacks you want me to try next. Thank you, bye!